What up? Pontiac Man 7272. Coming back at you again with another video. You got it. You got it. Yeah, you got it. You got it. Yeah, you got it.
What's up, you got it squad? It is Pontiac Man 7272 wife checking in with another video. You got it. You got it. Y'all got it. You guys, I'm just now coming outside checking out my car, my 1982 Cutlass, you guys. Pontiac Man 7272 purchased this car for me, you guys, because he owes me a project car, another one, you guys. He sold two project cars of mine. I had a 1968 Chevelle Malibu, and I had a 1985 Monte Carlo, you guys. And Pontiac Man sold both of them. So now he trying to make up for it. So he did buy me a project car, you guys, and it's this Cutlass, you guys. Like I said, Pontiac Man did the last two videos, you guys, on this car. I haven't even really seen this car up close, you guys. So because it's been very cold in Wisconsin and snowy, you guys, and I was not coming out in no snow recording no video about this car. So you guys, it's nice today in Wisconsin. It's in the 40s, you guys. Yep. I know you guys like the 40s. Yeah. In Wisconsin, you guys, 40s is like the 80s to us. You see I got on a jacket right now, not a coat. But I'm going to flip this camera around and show you guys my car up close. So stay tuned to this video. Okay. So let me get back, you guys. Let me get in the area where y'all can see it. This is the Cutlass. The 1982 Cutlass. My 1982 Cutlass, you guys. And see, I'm coming outside to inspect this car myself. I take Pontiac Man's word, but I like to see for myself, you guys. So, it's a nice, clean car. It's got some little flaws on it, I see, but they can be fixed. Like up here by the window, it's faded. It needs a paint job, yep. But I don't think that's anything I'm gonna be doing right now with this car. Get the back. My main goal with this car, get this side over here. My main goal with this car, you guys, is to start under the hood of this car, because I know Pontiac Man, and as I seen on his videos, it looks like spaghetti under the hood. You guys, the guy who had it, he didn't do a very good job of putting this motor in, so it's all gonna have to be taken out and put back in the right way. And I know I gotta get a engine wiring harness for it. So y'all, I know a little bit about cars. I'm gonna open the door and look at the inside. Let's look and see what's going on in here. So it is dirty in here, you guys, right now. I'm just checking out the seats. Trying to figure out if I'm going to clean them up for now or put bucket seats in here. I don't know yet. I know definitely it needs to be cleaned out. But let's check out the door panels. These definitely got to be redone. And then I'm not in no rush to paint it, you guys, right now. Like I said, I just want to concentrate on doing the engine the right way. This car, even with the engine like this, the guy that put it in, I don't know how he put it in, but somehow the engine is cocked up in the air a little bit. But the car still runs and drives normally, you guys. So, like I said, that's the main thing that has to be done before I think about doing anything else to this car. Like I said, it's just a little project car, you guys. Yes, I'm a female. Yes, I like cars. I'm infatuated with cars. And when Pontiac man tell other people that I love cars, they don't believe it. Well, yep, I'm here to tell you I love them. I sure do. I'm a muscle car girl. I like G bodies and A bodies. So that was the inside I showed you guys. And like I said, oh, you know what? I really like these American racers. I like these, so I think I'm gonna keep these on here. And look, you guys, I like the size of this back tire. See? I'm trying to see what size does it say on here. It's a Cooper tire. Oh, I think I see it. Let me get this way, you guys. It says 275/60 R15 M plus S. Well, I like, look how wide this back tire is, you guys. Look at, look, I like that. So I think that I am going to keep these rims on here, you guys. See, the front tires are smaller, you can see. But I think I am going to keep these American racers on here. And Pontiac man, he acting like this is his car. I think on the low, he might have bought it for himself. He might be lying to me, y'all, because he's more interested in this vehicle than I am right now. Let me see. Oh, what else I gotta do? Oh, I gotta name it, you guys. And I think I got the name right now. I always name all of our vehicles. As you see, there's Boo up in the front. That's my 2004 Cadillac Escalade. You guys, I named it Booberry. Boo, because that's what my husband called me, and I call him that. And then it flips blue to purple, so Booberry. That's where I got that from. And then we got Lenny, the Le Mans, the 1972. And I think, what should I name you? You know what, you guys? I got it. We gonna call him Old Otis. And y'all know where Old Otis name came from. Martin, you guys. So, because it's an Oldsmobile, we gonna call him Old Otis. So, that's how I'm gonna end this video, you guys. You got it. You got it. Y'all got it.
What up, what up? Pontiac Man 7272. Coming back at you again with another video. You got it. You got it. Yeah, you got it.